Hey guys, hi everyone. Today we are heading towards the Akko, the city of Israel, with my friends. He is Rajulama and he is Sanjay, and this is the bus station where we can check our bus from here. I think here is written in Hebrew, so we will get our bus number 3. The bus is coming. And this is the scenario of Israel. We are in near Haifa. We enter the bus, and this is my bus card where you have to check for the ticket. It is almost same everywhere. I'd like to inform you that all the buses of Israel are almost same, and most of the seats are reserved, like for children, for old age, for handicapped women. You can see here, you can scan if you don't have a card. The bus is almost empty, and the most good thing is here that if you want to out from the next station, you have to just click here. It is written in Hebrew, and if you translate it, it will be found like stop. So if you want to be for the next station, if you want to be out, so you have to click here, and the driver will automatically know that someone is want to someone want to like get out. Here we can hold the baby card. You can see the baby card, the picture there. Here we can plug our charger. I think almost everywhere you can find for charge your phone. And here we can see where we are here exactly. If you don't know the Hebrew, you can just open the Google app and you can translate it, and you can find where is the bus right now and the next station, what time it will take time for the next station. We are still going forward for the railway station to catch the Akko. As I told you previous that there is no traffic in the Israel. Everywhere is traffic light. So each and everything is controlled by the traffic light. So see how the people are civilized here. From our bus and heading towards the central railway station of Bat Galim. Almost here near the Bat Galim railway station, and we are enter here for the security checkup. We have to put down my phone, so I will be continuing. Display that shows the which bus and which train station goes to which place, and we can see here from the number of the bus and which platform. And another things, to go here you have to, if you don't have a card, you have to buy a ticket. Here some people are buying ticket. Here is another display and the time. If you want to get coffee, you can get coffee and some snacks. water, juice, fast food. To enter in, you have to just put your card here. Without putting your card, you cannot go. This is something strange I see in Israel. It's fine. It's very big. You can see in the picture. Oh, I have to put my card to open. I have to go quickly, otherwise it will be closed. Here is the place for upstairs and downstairs. We can sit. Upstairs there was no seats, so that's why. Finally, we are here in the Akko, the old city of Israel. This is the old city of Akko. Finally, we are here in the old city of Akko, and here we can see that this city are very old. Means almost these walls are almost 300 BC. You can find in the Google. I don't know exactly, but these are very old walls. This is the mosque. Shawarma. Here in Israel, shawarma and falafel is very famous dish. Mina Cafe. This is the another mosque. Wow, the children are fishing, swimming, and this is the place where we live. Now we are opposite side of the city. From here you can get your speedboat. You have to pay some money and you can directly go to the sea and feel the nature.
सनसेट हुँदैछ है सनसेट आक्कोमा लाइट हाउस यहीँ हामी बसिरहेको छौँ